Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix sharing time for local area connection missing in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a control panel. Go open a control panel. After opening the control panel, go to your network and sharing center. Click on a change adapter settings. Select a network adapter, right click properties. Select a Wi-Fi or a wireless network adapter, right click on a enable. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.